Good morning, everyone. It's about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. My buddy Wes just went around knocking on all the doors. He says, "Kevin, we have a fire right, tremendous winds right across the lake here from where we're camping at Lake MaeMae. I don't think it can come across this lake. But one of the dangers of camping chances are campfire got out of hand, got away from somebody. But there's 2 ways to get out of here, so I feel pretty safe.
Hey YouTube, Campervan Kevin here. Well, today I'm at MaeMae Lake in Yuma, Arizona. Well, my buddy Wes woke me up last night at 4 o'clock. He says, "Kevin, we got a bad fire." I said, "Bad fire where?" I don't see any fire. We got up and we looked across the lake and I could see this. I felt pretty confident that we were safe. Even though it was very windy, we had the lake as a natural fire break. But you used to see it this morning. Morning, Wes.
Hello.
How'd you find out about the fire? What are you doing up at 4 o'clock?
I just popped awake, looked out the window, and saw an orange glow. That was
Yep.
what it took. I jumped
Yep.
out of bed thinking, okay, I hope that wind's not blowing our way.
See the orange up here now on it. So you said that you had a little company this morning?
Sheriff came knocking at my door at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, saying we might have to evacuate if this wind shifts.
This sure is windy for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, Terry.
Good morning.
I wonder how it started. Probably a campfire.
They said fireworks.
Fireworks. There's signs everywhere that says no fireworks.
Look at that big yellow thing.
Look right here. I'm following the... Sorry, I don't. It may have a little bit of wind noise.
Check the flames. Back up.
Oh, wait.
One now.
We got some good pictures here. You care if I put some of these on my video?
Not at all.
All right, we'll show them right here on the video clip. Fireworks. You know, but it rained like 2 days ago. Well, that's a good picture, Wes.
Looks dangerous.
So, one of the dangers of camping so you guys just go back to the van. Man, that fire's got me a little scared, Daddy. I don't like it. Where's Martini at? Yeah, I'm right here. Dixie, you leave me alone. Granny dog, you too big. That's a sight to see. Coyotes are not happy about it. Let's go take a closer look, Wolf Pack. Come on, MaeMae.
Come on, MaeMae. Alright, so what are we going to get into today? Alright, let's go, Martini. What you done found? Better get out of there. Come on. Well, I'm back in the van. Just took me a spray bath. Everybody's still marveling over the fire. Had a lot of people come by here and talk to us. We don't know any more than anyone else. But it hadn't slowed down a bit. Terry, guy with a hat, Steve, tall guy with a hat, cowboy, Bob with a cowboy hat, and then my friend Wesley, not sure where he's at. Camping here at Lake Metri. Good group of guys. There's Wes. So this is my second tribe. Nothing like camping with friends. A lot of people have been giving me a little grief about how I take a shower, how I bathe, or say, Kevin, you don't take a shower every 7 to 10 days? That's right, it's not always convenient. But I got a good way that I really like, and I stay really, really clean. Let me show you how I do it. First off, I heat my water. If I'm making coffee, I'll put enough extra in that kettle. I'll heat it with my hot plate, and what I don't use for coffee, I use for my hot water. If I'm not making coffee, I've got a 700 watt microwave here, and I heat water in my measuring cup. That makes good storage, by the way. Well, when I heat my water, put it in the microwave for like 4 minutes. And I guess I put in about yay much hot water, and then I add 100% pure apple cider vinegar. Sometimes I use clear vinegar. If I have it, I use Dr. Bonner soap. If I'm out, like I am currently, I'll just use a drop or two of shampoo. The Zep spray bottle is by far the best that I've run across. It doesn't seem to wear out, and it doesn't seem to mind the hot water. I got it at Lowe's or Home Depot. I'm thinking Lowe's though, but it was kind of, it was $4. You could buy the others for $1 at the dollar store, but it just seems to last a whole lot longer, so that's what I use. So I'll take my mix and I'll stand right here on the floor. Sometimes I'll stand on like dirty laundry or a towel. Other times I just let it hit the floor. It makes a great deodorizer. Well, I'll spray my head. Face. That warm water feels so good. How'd that go again? Bill Oakes. Bill's my mentor. He used to get on to me. I make sound effects, and how'd that go again? I go meow. How is Bill? Bill's in a nursing home. We'll go into that later in another video. But he's getting the help he needs, and he's taking physical therapy, getting stronger. So I'll spray down with the vinegar bath. Then I'll come back with my baby wipes. Go over my hair, my ears, my face. Now I can grow some hair, but I keep it short like this. It's easier to take care of. I'm not out to impress anybody anyway. I can grow some locks, some curly locks, but anyway. I do that. Then I'll spray my chest, my arms, up under my arms, towel dry it, go back with a baby wipe, take my time, go between my fingers, elbows. Sometimes I use two baby wipes for that. Then I do my privates, then I do my do my legs, then I do my privates. I'm clean. And that's how I keep from jonesing after a shower so bad. I can go 7 to 10 days and I'm good. I'm good. So that's how I stay clean. So, campfires and baths. Never know what you're going to see on the Campervan Kevin show, or what I'm going to talk about. Well, I hear that there is a swap meet. It's what they call flea markets on the West Coast. And before it gets too late, I'm going to go find it. But I'm going to end this little video right here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Hey, we'll see you again soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.